Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by turning VoiceOver on and allowing the app to control input. Press Command F5 to enable VoiceOver. This activates spoken UI and keyboard navigation. Once done, open System Settings, go to Accessibility, and confirm VoiceOver is checked so you can use rotor commands. Make sure to grant microphone and keyboard permissions in Privacy and Security. VoiceOver needs those to perform live speech and script recording. Finally, plug in a headset and verify the input and output are routed correctly so you avoid feedback. You now configure the VoiceOver utility to match your recording goals. Open the VoiceOver utility from the VoiceOver menu and choose Speech to set voice, pitch, and speed. Faster rates shorten delivery, while slower rates improve clarity. Use the VoiceOver rotor to test navigation and shortcuts so your workflow is smooth. Then practice local narration and use VO plus Shift plus K to start a recording session. Remember to save audio files in a dedicated folder, and label takes clearly to speed later editing. Finish by editing and exporting your narration. Import your recorded file into an audio editor, trim silences, normalize levels, and export as WAV or high-quality AAC for distribution. Once exported, use VoiceOver quick settings to refine pronunciations and add punctuation rules so future runs sound correct. If something goes wrong, make sure the correct output device is selected and accessibility permissions remain granted. If VoiceOver won't speak, restart VoiceOver or reboot. This often clears audio routing and permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.